Hello guys, welcome to another fun Techmadness video, and in this video we are going to create a Christmas wish card which looks like this. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before that, like my page and follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you can. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm going to keep this video real simple and short. Have my 1920 by 1080p document ready, and I have my other images ready for use. So I'm just going to be dragging and dropping them. Alright, so there is my ribbon PNG file. I'm going to drag and drop it on my document. I'm going to drag it there and place Ctrl T to open up the transform tool so that I resize it to be a little bit bigger, just there. Okay, then I'm going to place enter, then out, left click, drag that out, place Ctrl T to open up the transform tool, then right click, then flip it on the light. Try to press it just there. You can use your arrow keys to make sure it's aligned properly. Next thing, I'm going to get my Christmas bell. I'm using the move tool, mind you. So I'm going to drag the layer on top, and I'm going to place Ctrl T to resize it. That's the transform tool. I'm going to shrink it a little bit and try to, place it where it looks nice. I think there does it. I'm going to place OK, and I'm going to place out to make a duplicate of the layer and drag, and I'm going to make this bell a little bit smaller, like very small, so that we cover up the demarcation between the ribbons. Okay, I think that's still big. Let's shrink it a little bit again. That does it. Wow, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, so I'm going to go on my bell, filter, Gaussian gray. So that looks something like this. That looks good. I'll go on and get my third image, there. Then I'm going to place Ctrl T. Place that in the corner, just like that. I'm going to place out and have a copy of this layer, and I'm going to place Ctrl T, transform this and flip it just like that, and I'm going to place it under there and resize it a little bit out, and I will do the same, flip it, not vertically, horizontal, there. That looks good. Then lastly, I'm going to get this PNG file and place it there. I'm going to drag it a little bit that side. Okay, rotate it and have it placed in the corner just like that. To enlarge this a little bit, and there we go. That looks perfect. Last but not the least, we're going to type in don't worry about the size, we'll deal with that in a bit. control double click on the icon to edit the text, and there we go. That looks perfect. I'm going to double click on the layer to just add the layer style, and the only thing I'll do is add the drop shadow. You can go ahead and paste in those settings. Okay, I'm going to drag it a little bit down. Sorry. And I'm going to copy the layer and double click on the text thumbnail, and I'm going to type in my next text, which will be in the Merry Christmas. Okay, last but not the least, I'm going to do the same. Drag this layer, copy that, going to place it there, and that looks nice. And there we go. You have it simple as that. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, like the video, make sure notification on, and see you in the next video. I'm out.